Is Bitcoin about to pump to $63,000?
Michael and Jason Casper and I both think it could reach $63,000.
And as you can see, I am still holding multiple long trades from the setups that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, letting people know I'm taking these long trades, still looking for higher prices. So today we're going to be diving into exactly how I am trading this, the fact that Bitcoin is breaking a key area of resistance, and what I'm looking for next. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Jason Casper. He's the best YouTube trader in the world. He's getting huge.
And let's take a look at the overall macro context here. Bitcoin came down to test this very important support resistance flip at $49,045. Why is this such a key level? Well, when we look at the entirety of this uptrend going all the way back to November 2022, we can see that as we're making higher lows and higher highs, this is the last area where we made a higher high before the big breakout. So coming back down to test this area is now a major support resistance flip. And as we came down to that area, we saw Bitcoin get a very significant bounce from this zone. And a major shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord, because this is one of the long trades that I told everybody I was taking during the New York Open live stream. You can see right here, currently up over $11,000 in profit from $49,700. As we came down to this level, I let everybody know in the Casper Crew VIP Discord that I was in fact taking the trade. And by the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we have multiple instructors giving their levels and setups in advance, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com to join the community. Also, I'm currently trading on MEXC with the best deal on fees in the game. Link in the pinned comment and description. Also, right now I'm trading on BLOFIN, which has some amazing deals, does not require KYC nor a VPN, and BLOFIN right now is offering up to 10% cash back plus up to $2,000 futures deposit bonus, and a chance to win all these juicy prizes depending on your trading volume. Links in the pinned comment and description if you're interested. Now, as we come down to this key level, we have to understand this is a key support, and let's take a look at our oscillator, Market Cipher B. What do we see on Market Cipher B? I have the 2-day time frame pulled up, but as the price is actually getting lower to hit this very key, literally the most important level of 2024 support, we are seeing the big momentum wave, a big bottom with a big BitBoy green dot, and then a skinnier, smaller momentum wave as the price is making a lower low, giving us that coveted bullish, uneven butt cheek pattern where we have a juicy left butt cheek right over here full of a gravy. And the ravioli is flowing out of the butt cheek. I love it so much. You squeeze it, the chicken, you squeeze it, the gravy out, you slurp it up, and then on the right side, you have a skinny butt cheek, like that skinny waitress at the diner. You know, the one who comes out with the Brooklyn accent over here, and she's got a cigarette in her hand, bringing the coffee to the table. Well, look, hey, Dolores, get over here. This guy needs another cup of coffee. When we take a look at the butt cheeks, as the candles here are coming down to the key area support, we look at the butt cheeks, where does she keep all the tip money? Of course, in that right skinny hand butt cheek. And from there, the price gets to move to the upside like the smoke in the cigarette. And that's exactly what we have seen right now. And I want to point out something very key to you about what is happening as we are closing yesterday's 2-day candle and opening up this fresh 2-day candle. We are coming above the key level of $60,600-ish. This is so key because whenever an asset, doesn't matter what you're trading, but whenever an asset is trading in a sideways range, when we look at the volume by coming over here to the projection tools and coming to the fixed range volume profile and then clicking this and dragging this across the entirety of the price action, these blue lines at the top and the bottom are forming what's known as the fair value zone. And basically what happens when the price comes above that fair value zone is considered overbought, right? There needs to be a correction to the downside. And when the price comes below that fair value zone, it's considered oversold. There needs to be a correction to the upside. And basically, this is going to keep happening until there's a breakout or a breakdown of the sideways range. Now, what we want to be looking for to determine, is this a real breakdown, which it very well might have been down here, we want to see, is the price going to now gain acceptance back inside of this fair value zone? Are we closing high time frame candles above the fair value zone? Well, yesterday we closed a 2-day candle with a higher close than these previous 2-day candles back inside that fair value zone. And when we look at what's happening here, it also looks like, especially if we go to the daily time frame, that we are breaking out of a local trend line and coming back down for a retest. If we go ahead and we take this and just kind of drag this along the resistances that we had here, we can see that we are actually now back testing this trend line as support, which is a very strong sign, in my opinion, that we can see higher prices at least coming to the $63,000 level, which is the next major support resistance flip from right here. Now, again, the context is that we are printing the bullish uneven butt cheek pattern as we come down to the low. We are showing signs of strength by closing candles back inside the fair value zone, and so our next target should be $63,000. Pretty shocking, huh? Almost as shocking as this picture of me back in college when I just graduated with my degree in trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies. Now, you cannot get a job with that degree. I tried so hard, nobody would hire me. That's actually how I got into trading. But believe it or not, when I graduated, actually Obama spoke at my graduation. He had some very kind words to say about your boy.
Jason Casper, let me tell you, that man is something else. A true warrior for change. He's the first ever trans non-carbon binary emission gender standards major to ever reach 200,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Which is why you need to subscribe to the channel right now, as we're well on our way to 200,000 subscribers. So what is happening right now? Well, here's the thing. If we can hold above $60,500, $63K is definitely my next target. This is where I have my next TP on these long trades that we are in right now, as you can see, at around $63,000. If we can hold above 63K, then we're going to get sucked up to the $67,000 zone, because that is the high volume node. And in my opinion, if, let's say, just as an example, that the top is in, I'm not saying the top is in, but let's say the top is in, there's a really good chance that if we're going to get a lower high coming in, if we pull the fib from the all-time high to the low, we can see that that high volume node, 67,000, is coming in right in between the Fibonacci golden pocket and the 786. So basically what I am looking at right now, holding above this level that we're currently backtesting right now, I'm looking for another 10% move to the upside on Bitcoin, where I do have some take profits set here. As you can see, around 75. I'm actually shooting for the highs, but I'm going to be potentially looking to take a profit around 67,000, depending on whether or not we get a bit of a rejection from this area, right? We got to be looking and trading the charts in the moment. So I'm really watching today's daily close. I'm liking what I see on Market Cipher B for more upside. And right now I'm feeling bullish along with my man Obama. So that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!